So, how long does your video really have to be monetized on Facebook as a reel? Because let's face it, if somebody's putting ads on your video, if it's too short, they're probably not going to show ads on that actual video. What I found in my experience is even though my videos are short, anything that's 15 seconds or longer seems to be a really good working time for a video as far as length goes. Now, at the end of the day, it's still got to be interesting and people still got to want to watch it, right? So that's the most important thing. But when it comes to watch time or creation of the video itself, try to make it so that it's 15 seconds or longer. Remember, you want to keep them engaged. Now, a lot of times what I do is I daisy chain these videos in the sense of if one's doing really well, another one's doing really well, I try to piggyback those type of videos and create the same type of content, but not the exact same. So in other words, let's say for instance, I made a video about, let's just give it a quick example, mac and cheese, different types of mac and cheese. In this recipe, I use these type of ingredients. It does really well. And then I say to myself, well, this video is doing better than, the sweet potato video. And so what I would do is piggyback that idea and keep creating more videos about mac and cheese. So it sounds simple. It really is. But when it comes to creating videos, you want to make sure the content's interesting. Now, if you head to the description box down below, you can find a free PDF, sort of a walkthrough guide I've created. And I've not seen a lot of this information on the web, so a lot of it I've actually learned as I've gone along. And it can be very helpful for you to monetize your page knowing this information. Once again, if you're going to create videos, create them 15 seconds or longer, and I'll see you in the next video.